Gas prices in the county are slowly inching downward from today's record high of $4.73 a gallon to an average of $4.70 tonight. Several gas stations are now posting prices even lower than that. 10 News reporter Allison Ash is live in La Mesa with how one station owner gambled on a big drop. Allison.
Yeah, this has been a really busy place today, and this is the reason why. Take a look over there at that sign, $4.49. That's the price right now, but for most of the day, this gas station sold both regular and mid-grade gas for just $4.29. That's a 70-cent drop from this weekend.
I just passed by and saw it and saw how cheap it was, and so I figured I needed to fill up because right by my house, which is down the street, it's like about 40 cents more.
When the word got out that Emerald Oil was selling gas for $4.29, people lined up to get a piece of the action.
They call me from La Jolla when I know which exit they take from here, so the response is great.
Dave Halleck dropped his price after his supplier promised a shipment of less expensive fuel. He wanted to pass the savings on to his customers, who were not happy when a gallon of regular went up to $4.99.
70 cents in less than 48 hours. I think the whole thing was manipulated by either the refineries and the oil companies or both.
Arthur Duffy was thrilled to pay less for gas today, but he, like so many other Californians, is skeptical about why the spike in gas prices happened at all. A petroleum analyst from GasBuddy.com told 10 News via Skype California has only itself to blame.
When California has a major shortage like this or a supply issue, it's an island unto itself, unfortunately, because it doesn't have access to the network of pipelines that much of the rest of the country has. It doesn't have the ability to borrow from across state lines.
Only state lawmakers can make that change. For now, Californians are happy to see the prices slowly dropping.
So I got a smile on my face today. I was frowning some days ago, last week, so this is good.
For a while there, the cheapest gas in the county could be found right here. Well, we've been checking. There are now several spots where you can find gas at a relatively good price, $4.35 to $4.50. You just have to look for them. We are live in La Mesa. Allison Ash, 10 News.
Thank you, Allison. And speaking of shopping for good gas, you can always find the cheapest gas prices in your area by checking out the Gas Buddies section of our website. Just go to 10news.com, click on the traffic section, and look for gas prices.